What's up, YouTube? I just got a new pickup today. I'm opening right now. I just got a new pickup. I got a pair of Pradas. Original. Alright, we have the receipt, PayPal, we got card of authenticity, a little hard to see, and then we open it up. The material is cloth. Alright, it's very nicely packaged. It comes in the bag. And then the shoe. Original. Right there, it says made in Italy. Prada.